Welcome to Living Clean in the Country. Today we're going to do a simple fall decor sign. So what you'll need is just a piece of scrapbooking paper. I used one with a wood design and some acrylic paints. I'm using navy and light gray to do some pumpkins on the corners. So to make a pumpkin, I'm using an angular brush and dipping half with the navy blue and then half with the gray. And then I'm just making circles, making sure that I'm keeping the dark color on the outside each time I make one. And so I'm going to make a semicircle, and then on the other side a semicircle, then slightly inwards another one, inwards another one, and so on and so forth until you have what looks kind of like a pumpkin. After you've done this, you can always go in and add more of the dark color or the light color as needed until you get the desired look that you want. It's a very forgiving design. And then I just use the dark color to make a stem on the top. Now that I have the pumpkins where I want them, I'm going to start going on with the wording that I want. I have chosen the wording, fall is in the air. So I'm going to start with my dark navy color that I have, and I'm going to start writing. Now I'm remembering how horrible I am at actually writing out letters, and I can never get them to look nice. So here I'm going to decide, maybe I'll go with a different way. And then I just give up altogether and start all over again. So I don't think you need to see me drawing out my pumpkins again, so we're just going to skip right to them being complete. Now I am using a stencil that I got from Michaels to actually stencil out my words so that they look semi-good, I guess. I like how it turned out, so that's the most important thing. Practicing will definitely make this work better and better and look better and better each time. So don't be discouraged. It may take time. I also used a stencil for these pretty flowers that I added in just to add a bit more. So now, after I let it dry, I'm going to pop it into a frame that I bought from Michaels. I think it was on sale for like $2 or something like that, and hang it up. And there you have it. A very nice fall decor sign with pretty pumpkins and just a nice saying to add a little bit of fall to your decor. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.